Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to link PayPal to GCash. So let's start. First, open your GCash mobile application. Then, in this home page, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, go to the My Links account section and tap on it. Next, select the PayPal option. In this menu, just tap on Link Account. You will be asked to log in to your PayPal account, so go ahead and log in. Once you have logged in and verified your account, simply click Agree and Connect. After that, you should now see a message saying PayPal account linking complete. Tap OK and you are now all set. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.